Hello there, welcome to our channel Lognips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Valorant game on your PC. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to download and install the Valorant game on your PC, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in play valorant.com like this and hit enter. And after that you'll be landed on the home page of Riot Games. You can see over here. Now to download the Valorant, click on over here which says the play free, and from over here, you then don't have a Riot account, you can make one, and if you have a Riot account you can sign in directly. We don't have account, so we're going to make one from over here to do this from the start. And let's go with the email. Enter your email like this, and after that click on this arrow and let's enter the birth date. And after entering your birth date, click on this arrow, set your username like this, which will be your game name. Choose your password, put some capital letters, some small letters, and use some numbers guys to make it strong. And after that, confirming your password and entering password over here, click on this button to proceed to forward and save it. And you can see guys, after we are logged into our Valorant account and we created over here, you can see the download button available over here. Click on download, and the 60 MB worth of data for the installation file of the Valorant will be downloaded, and let the installation be completed and download. I think it's completed. Let's open it directly from over here, and let's wait a bit, and let's start the installation process of the Valorant and install 23.1 GB on the drive, starting from the 210.09 MB installation file. And guys, we have started the installation of the Valorant games and it's let it complete. And with that being said, and you can see guys, the icon of the Valorant is available on my computer, which means the game has been successfully installed. And guys, this is how you download and install the Valorant game on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.